Hi guys, this is how to invest to beginners. Let's simplify that. Imagine you've got some money saved up, but it's not enough for a house. So you're thinking about investing in something to make more money. There are tons of options out there, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrency. You've probably seen those YouTube ads with people talking about day trading and making quick money. But here's the catch: you're worried about losing hard earnings saving. That's the ultimate guide to investing for beginners. Come in, we'll break it down into 4 parts, and you can jump to the section you're interested in. Part 1: the basics and why invest. Let's start with you should invest. When you save money, it loses value over time due to inflation. Investing, like planting seeds that grow into more money. There are two main ways investment can make money. Through price appreciation, the value of what you bought goes up, or by receiving dividends, a share of a company's profit. Part 2: investing in stocks and shares. Imagine you want to own a piece of a company like Apple. You can do that by buying its stocks. It's like owning a slice of the company pie. Stocks can make you money in two ways: when the stock price goes up, or by receiving dividends. To check if a company pays dividends, you can Google it or use brokerage platform. Part 4: Fastlane investing here, but explore an alternative approach to traditional investing for building wealth. When you're ready to invest, you'll need a brokerage platform. You can think it of as a shop where you buy and sell stocks. They charge fees, so it's important to find one that suits your needs. Buying stocks is like buying clothes. You can place order through the platform, and they'll handle the rest. There are two main types of orders: market orders. You buy or sell at the current marketplace price, and limit orders. You specify the price you want. Price is another factor to consider. There are trading fees, what you pay to buy or sell stocks, and ongoing fees for having an account. These fees can vary, so choose a platform wisely. When you're ready to cash out your investment, it's straightforward. Sell your stock through the platform, and the money goes into your brokerage account. From there, you can transfer it to your bank account. Just remember, you may have to pay taxes on your gains depending on your local tax law. Investing in stocks and shares isn't as complicated as it makes seem. So, choose your investment wisely and make sure you're comfortable with the level of risk you're taking. If you're unsure, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Good luck with your investment. If you have more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask me in the comment below.